Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Nissan Navara, stock number 5937. This ran from 04 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 2.3 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is the YS 2.3 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory sat-nav touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.